Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you all how I was able to achieve this simple cornrow on my short natural hair. So what I'm going to be using today is the Lush hair extension, and I'm going to be adding it to the tip of my hair while I cornrow the hair. So next off, I'm going to section my hair this way. All I did was to place a mirror right in front of me, and I placed another mirror right behind me. That way I'll be able to see the back of my head and also see the front of my head. So after sectioning the hair properly, make sure that it's neat and it looks clean. After sectioning it, I'm going to apply an edge control just so that I can easily section the hair properly and so that it comes out neater. So I apply this at the back of my head and also at the front of my head, which is my scalp. So at this point, I'm just sectioning to make sure that everything looks good. So this is the extension. This is what it comes in. So I'm going to use a scissors and cut it at the middle so it becomes two halves like this. So at this point, I am going to start cornrowing my hair. So all you have to do is you have to section your hair into 3 legs. So once you follow the step that I'm using today, you're definitely going to get it. Just place your 2 fingers in between the sectioned part, which is the 3 legs, and begin to exchange it. I really don't know how to explain it better than this, but if you watch this video closely, you'll be able to get it just like I did. So once you're doing it, make sure that the cornrow is as firm as possible and you are taking it step by step. You are cornrowing the hair step by step just so that it can be strong, it can be firm, and so that the hair can last long. So I'm going to pick up the extension and just place it on my natural hair about 3 times, and once I'm done with the 3rd one, I'm going to cornrow the hair all the way to the back and then start twisting with the Lush hair extension. So at this point, guys, I'm basically just repeating the same process. After I sectioned my hair, I went on to make about 3 legs of the hair. So all you can see me doing in this video is to pass one of the legs over to the other part, and then pass the other one over to the other part as well. So you are doing from left to right, from right to left. So I'm just going to zoom this closer so that you guys can understand what I'm doing better. So I'm just doing this all the way to the back this way, making sure that if you're having a very short natural hair, once you section the hair, make sure that the other part of the hair that you're not going to braid or cornrow is in a bun, just so that it does not interfere with your braiding or your cornrow. So once I'm at the back this way, I'm going to pick up the hair extension again and then place it at the back like 3 times. I'm just going to cornrow, place the hair extension 3 times, and then once I'm at the tail end of my head, I'm just going to braid a little bit and then start twisting. So guys, all I did was to repeat the whole process all the way. This is just a very straight cornrow, and it's very easy to understand. So I just basically repeated the whole process. I'm at the last one right now, and I'm just going to place the hair extension again, just so that I can have a little length on my hair. So I'm going to place the hair extension and then braid it a little bit and then twist it as well, just same way I have been doing for the others. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I remain your girl Lizzie. I'm going to link some of my previous videos to this one, some of my previous hair videos, makeup videos to this one, so that you guys can see, learn and follow as well, just in case these videos help you in any way. So this is what the back of my hair looks like, and this is what the front of my hair looks like as well. This is what the front looks like. I love it a lot. It's so simple and it's actually nice. So I'm just going to spray my oil sheen on it just to give it a little bit of glow, and I'm just going to rub that into my scalp properly, just so that all of the products that I have applied on my head can sink properly. So this is the product. I know that I didn't show what it looks like at the beginning, but this is an above oil sheen and it does the magic perfectly. So I'm going to apply an edge control at the front of my hair. You can actually use any hair wax, any one of your choice, as long as it does the job. So once I apply the edge control, I'm just going to pull out a little bit of my baby hairs. So guys, this is just about the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel if this video has helped you in any way. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. I remain your girl Liz. This is what my hair looks like. Trust me, I'm just going to be rocking this for a week before I change over to a new hairstyle. But for now, this is me rocking the hair. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Also, do not forget to turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I will see you in my next video. Bye.